Hello, welcome to Mavis. In this session, I'd like to introduce how to use if formula. If formula is so popular and useful. If you can combine it with sum if, VLOOKUP, etc., you can get very beautiful results. Let's see what we have here. In column A is the different department: purchasing, production, customer service, HR, and sales. Column B is the actual spend. Column C is the budget. In column D, we like to define if the spend of each department is over budget or within budget. Some of you may suggest you to do like this: equal, if, and a tab. Here, this is some explanation, but it's not easy to understand and enter the content here. I recommend do it differently. Click FX, search if, enter, and then double click F. Here you can see there's an explanation of the different cell. First cell is any value or expression that can be evaluated true or false. Second one is the result if it's true. Third one, the result if it's false. Now let's enter it here. We would like to define if actual is bigger than budget. Choose B2 bigger than C2. If it is true, it's over budget. If it's false, within budget. Now let's click OK. Then you can copy the formula down or move your mouse to the right bottom corner of the cell. Double click. The formula is copied. We can verify purchasing department first. You see that spend is less than budget, so it's within budget. Verify the last one. Spend is more than budget, so it's over budget. In this step, I will show you bigger. You can use a different comparison, such as smaller, equal, not smaller, not bigger, or even combine with other formulas to use contain, not contain. This is today's introduction for if formula. Thank you for watching.